Imagine a world where AI doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs. Somewhere right now, an AI is finishing a task you assigned hours ago. It's working diligently, even as you sleep or focus on other priorities. No human supervision required. It's operating autonomously, making decisions and executing tasks without constant intervention. This isn't the AI you're used to, patiently waiting for your next command, like a loyal but passive assistant. This is Agentic AI. It's proactive, autonomous, and already reshaping how we work, learn, and interact with the world around us. Imagine the leap from a calculator, a tool that could only perform basic arithmetic, to an accountant who works while you sleep, meticulously managing your finances and identifying opportunities. That's the shift we're experiencing, a fundamental change in how we delegate and automate. Today, AI is moving from passive tool to active partner, a collaborator that takes initiative, capable of handling complex multi-step goals on its own. It can navigate intricate processes and make informed decisions along the way. Give it a task, like booking your perfect Greek holiday, and it'll research, compare, and book, analyzing countless options to find the best deals and itineraries. Only updating you when it's done, presenting you with the finalized plan ready for your approval. For creators, it means AI that generates, optimizes, and distributes content, freeing up valuable time for creative exploration. For businesses, it's tireless sales agents closing deals 24/7, expanding reach and maximizing revenue. The potential is huge, freeing us from repetitive tasks so we can focus on strategy, creativity, and connection, allowing us to leverage our uniquely human skills. But this power comes with new challenges. Agentic AI is here, operating in the background, often invisibly, learning and acting without constant oversight, raising questions about transparency and control. Understanding this shift is crucial, because it's about to change everything, the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Are we ready for technology that doesn't wait for us? A technology that anticipates, acts, and evolves on its own? What exactly does it mean for an AI to be agentic? What are the defining characteristics that set it apart from more traditional forms of artificial intelligence? The core concept boils down to one word: autonomy. The ability to act and make decisions independently. Traditional AI is often compared to a literal librarian, meticulously following instructions. It excels at single, well-defined tasks, but it's always waiting for your next prompt, your explicit command. It requires constant guidance. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is more akin to a freelance researcher. Give it a project, a broad objective, and it autonomously breaks it down into smaller tasks, formulates a plan, and then executes that plan. With Agentic AI, no micromanagement is needed. It takes the initiative. It perceives its environment, gathering data and information. It plans its course of action, strategizing the best way to achieve its objective. And then it acts, executing its plan and making real-world changes. And crucially, it learns in a continuous feedback loop, constantly adjusting its approach, refining its strategies, until the overarching goal is successfully met. Think of the difference between a power drill and a hired builder. The drill needs your hand to guide it for every single screw you want to drive. But the builder understands the goal, assembling the whole wardrobe, and does it for you independently. This leap in capability, this shift in autonomy, means that Agentic AI can effectively handle complex, multi-stage problems that would quickly overwhelm simpler, more limited AI systems. Agentic AI is not just a tool waiting for instructions, it's a worker in its own right, capable of making informed decisions and taking meaningful action. That's the fundamental difference. Its autonomy, initiative, and the crucial ability to continuously learn and adapt from its results. We're witnessing a significant evolution, a shift from AI as a mere tool to AI as a collaborative teammate. And that's precisely what makes Agentic AI so revolutionary and transformative. Agentic AI is already transforming industries. In content creation, an AI agent can research, draft, illustrate, and optimize a blog post, delivering a near-finished product in minutes. In sales, agents find leads, draft personalized outreach, and manage follow-ups, handing off only the best prospects to humans. Research agents analyze thousands of scientific papers, synthesize findings, and highlight new directions, accelerating discovery. In software, coding agents test, debug, and even fix code, freeing developers for creative work. These agents aren't just tools, They're becoming productive team members. The future of work is already here, and it's agentic. The benefits of agentic AI are clear: massive time savings, boosted productivity, and new creative possibilities. By automating routine work, agents let us focus on strategy, innovation, and relationships. But autonomy brings risk. Agents need access to sensitive data, and a single flaw could mean a massive breach. Bias is another danger. If trained on flawed data, agents can perpetuate or amplify discrimination at scale. The challenge isn't just building agents that work, but agents that work safely and fairly. As we embrace this technology, we must stay vigilant about its risks. Agentic AI can be a powerful partner, or a dangerous liability. The stakes have never been higher. You don't need to be a coder to start using agentic AI. Begin by spotting repetitive, rule-based tasks in your life, like sorting emails or compiling reports. Use no-code platforms like Zapier or Notion to automate simple workflows. Start small. Have invoices auto-saved and notifications sent, or automate your weekly meal planning. As you get comfortable, try AI-powered agents for research or writing. Test their limits, learn how to phrase your goals, and see what they can do. Stay curious. This tech evolves fast. Follow AI news, experiment with new tools, and keep learning. The goal isn't overnight mastery, but building a foundation and staying adaptable. Small steps today can free you for bigger challenges tomorrow. If you're technically inclined, you can build your own agents. Open source frameworks like LangChain or Crew AI make it easier than ever. Start with a simple, useful project, like an agent that summarizes new articles from your favorite sites. Learn by connecting APIs, using language models and programming logic. Build a minimal version, test it, and improve it step by step. Each iteration adds capability and complexity. Don't go it alone. Join online communities for support, advice, and inspiration. Sharing and collaborating accelerates your learning. By starting small and iterating, you'll move from user to creator, solving your own unique problems. The power to shape AI is now in your hands.